Is your VS Code freezing every time you try to use the inline AI chat? Don't worry, I experienced the same problem and found a quick fix that actually works. Whenever I typed a message in the inline AI chat, VS Code would freeze. After a few seconds, it would prompt me with the option to wait or reopen the program. I tried both options, but neither resolved the issue. It just kept freezing. The solution is simple. Log out of your GitHub account in VS Code and then log back in. Here's how to do it. Go to the bottom left of VS Code and click on your profile. Select Sign Out of GitHub. Then click on Signing with GitHub from the same profile menu. After this, VS Code will open a window in your browser. You'll need to click on Continue. Next, press the Allow button in the pop-up message to allow your Copilot chat to sign in using GitHub. Finally, click Continue again. After following these steps, the AI chat started working again without freezing. If you are experiencing this issue, signing out and then back into GitHub should resolve it. That's all. If you're interested in learning about the Python programming language through a mini project, be sure to check out the video in the top right corner. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to this channel. It helps a lot. See you in the next one.